Hello everyone! Lately I've been drawing some real dark pictures. It is very clear to see that my style shifted a bit, and so I decided to quickly address this and talk a little with you about feeling blue and letting these emotions become inspiration. We are all going through a lot right now. We have a global pandemic still going on, an economic crisis, political instability, and it's overwhelming. It's overwhelming, right? And usually I can stay calm through all this, but sometimes when yet another thing happens, I can easily be thrown out of my center. Last week, I was going through a bad period, and I felt very angry and very blue. And when we feel like that, there are many things we can do about it. You see, when I was in university, I took this psychology course that totally changed the way I face having bad emotions. I'm not gonna get too theoretical about it, because I think this would be incredibly boring. Mainly, there were two things that I took from that course. The first one is that it is really important for us to acknowledge that we are feeling bad and accept it and know that it is okay to feel bad sometimes, We don't have to pretend that we're not hurt. Our feelings are very true and very valid, and it's important that we know that. After we have accepted our feelings, we can actually do something about it, and that is the second thing I want to talk about. And I'm pretty sure that this was Freud who I read that talked about this. But there are many things we can do about our feelings, and the best part is, we get to choose. Of course, it is not a directly relationship, like, I choose this now, so I can instantly face my feelings this way. No, it takes some practice, but in some level, we can choose, I don't remember all the responses we can have to bad feelings. I remember that we can feel guilty, we can feel angry, we can become aggressive. But the really cool one is that we can sublimate our feelings. That means that we can turn our bad feelings in different positive reactions. We can turn it into drawings, into music, into dance, sports. Basically, you can use bad feelings as fuel, as inspiration. I used to get very sad, so I started to try to paint a feeling instead of feeling it so deeply. And with time and practice, it started to really work, Whenever I draw a bad feeling, I felt better afterwards. And also, and this my friends also commented on, my drawings became more intense, more powerful. It becomes visible that is not just a drawing, it has a story, it has a feeling behind it. So, I would like to invite you all to try it. Try to face your bad times by drawing the feeling, or dancing the feeling, or playing a song, whatever. But don't get frustrated if it don't quite work at first time, because it takes time. But I'm sure you'll feel better as a whole if you give it a try. So thank you all for listening to me today. I hope you found this video helpful, and I see you in the next one.